Nike Basketball is bringing back the GT Cut 1 with a striking new look, blending modern flair and the shoe's original legacy. The reissue showcases a white foundation, energized by photo blue, laser orange, and black accents, while a bold blue midsole and yellow branding details add contrast. Part of the Greater Than series revival, this release reflects Nike's strategy of honoring past designs while infusing them with contemporary performance style. Scheduled to drop before November for $190 on Nike.com, the sneaker captures both heritage and innovation. Alongside it, Nike teases the GT Future, a fresh silhouette inspired by early 2000s basketball models, extending the brand's narrative of merging classic influences with modern technology. With these moves, Nike continues to balance nostalgia and progress, reaffirming its influence in shaping basketball footwear culture.